Welcome back to the Elli-Yacht. We're going to review this little ozone emitting deodorizer today for your refrigerator, on your RV, boat, or even at home. We'll let you know after a year how it works and if it's even worth it. Welcome back. In 2019, we sold everything to realize our dream of living, working, and cruising full-time on our boat. I'm John, this is Carlin, and this is our home, the Elli-Yacht. So to start off with, let's just talk about what this thing even does. It has two settings. It has setting 2 that emits ozone every 10 minutes or so. It lasts for about 2 days. When you do that, it's generally when you have a really stinky refrigerator and you need to get after that smell. And then it also has setting 1. Setting 1 goes off a handful of times during the day, and it lasts for about 30 days, which is the setting that we generally keep this thing in. We found that it actually does a pretty decent job on both of those. We had some rotting celery when we first got this thing in the refrigerator. I don't know if you're aware, but rotting celery is disgusting and stinks. It takes a while to get it out of your refrigerator as well once you clean it up. This thing, within an hour, did a great job of nuking that smell. Putting it on the setting 1 and letting it last for a month, it really does keep the refrigerator smelling nice and fresh. Like I said, it goes for about 30 days on one charge in that setting. If you are wondering what the charge is on it, it does have right on the front there, it shows you what the charge is, so you can keep track of that. And I just put a calendar reminder on my phone every 30 days so I can remember to recharge this thing. Is it better than baking soda? Well, it does take up less space. When it's time to replace the baking soda, you don't have to go to a store and go pick up another box. With this, you just plug it in a USB-C charger and you're off and going. You can't get to a store. This is a little handier, and I will say size-wise, it's obviously a lot smaller. Probably 6 of these would fit in a box of Arm & Hammer baking soda, and when you have a small refrigerator on a boat, size counts, and not in the way that we're familiar with. Smaller is better. Having it for a year, it's actually worked out pretty well. I've been pleasantly surprised. And it hasn't, it still does 30 days worth of a charge. The batteries haven't gone down. And I would say the one last bonus that we didn't expect is it actually helps keep your food fresh longer, at least your perishable food, obviously. So vegetables, those types of things. Again, when you're up in Desolation Sound, it's hard to get fresh produce. This is kind of a little bit of a lifesaver. You get another 3-4 days worth of life out of your perishables, and that might be worth it just on itself. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.